Hello children, so here we start our exercise 13b. 13 I have already done two videos, part 1 and part 2, where we have done polynomial and different types of polynomials like term. So already you have seen that. So here we move on to part 3, that is we start exercise 13b. This is my first video and I'm going to do addition, and in the second video of 13b, that means my part 4 of this chapter, I will be doing subtraction. And maybe in part 5, children, you will see mixed problems, some like that. We have both addition and subtraction. So maybe after this 2 more will follow, subtraction, and after that harder addition and subtraction. So here, what is the concept? Try to understand very nicely the concept of your addition. So kindly pause the video and copy this, then I will explain it to you. So here when you add, children, sum of like term is a like term, means these are all like term. We have done in the part 1, 13 part 1. So like term, when you add, answer will be x square only. Okay, so when you add like term, the sum of like term is a like term only. Numerical value, numerical coefficient is the sum. So we will see the numerical coefficient 2, minus 5, minus 1, 6. What will happen? We will see. Next. So this is the second part. Actually, this should be first part. Arrange alphabetically or in descending power. I'll show you. So we arrange them. We will see here. Okay, alphabetically, like x, y, z, x, y, z, I'll do x, y, z, which is also called like term occur in the same column. So I'll show you when I do over here. So when I do the sum, I'll explain. So like here, I will apply like term occur in the same column, or we arrange alphabetically. X, y, z, you know, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So like that. So that like terms are in same column like this, and then we will combine them, and then we will follow this. Sum of like term is a like term, and coefficient, numerical coefficient is the sum of numerical coefficient of the individual terms. So here we go. You see, we have to add, so you can write plus minus, okay, 5x square plus minus x square, okay, plus 6x square. So here you see ultimately it is 2 plus 6, 8, and minus 5 and minus 1. So this I have already taught you, children, in my earlier a number of videos on fraction, integers. Okay, so there you will see rational numbers, what you do in this class. So minus 1 and minus 5 is minus 6, and 2 plus 6 is 8. So this will be minus 6x square. So this is numerical value is minus 6, and the term will be x square only. Okay, so we get 2x square as the answer. Now here you see, write 2x plus 9y minus 7z. 3y, in under 3, under y, we write y. Under y, we write y, z, we write z, and x will come here. This is what is called like term occurs in the same column. See the last one, 2z minus 4y. So if nothing is here, children, means it is plus. Okay, nothing is to 3y means it is plus. And minus is written, minus 4y minus x. So we have to add this. So this is what I have followed here. You can say we have arranged them alphabetically, x, y, z. See in English alphabet, x, y, z. Or like term occur in the same. These are the like term. This is called column. This way. Okay, combine the like term. So we will combine using same idea. Sum of like term. So here you will see, children, it's minus 4, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So this will be minus 2x. 9, just see numerical coefficient, don't see y, answer will be y, children. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 9 plus 3, don't see y, answer will be y, like term. 12 minus 4 is 8. So here z it will be, but you see minus 7, 1, here nothing is there, means 1 plus 2, 3. So I have done already, you see, in previous chapter, minus 7 plus 3, minus 7 is bigger, subtract smaller from the bigger and put the sign of the bigger number. So this, children, is the answer for question 1 part 3. So kindly pause the video and copy what is there in the whiteboard, then we move on to the next questions. Next we move on to question 1 part 5. Now listen here, these two were what I had given you the concept, if you have seen, in the descending order of power of x. We have written x cubed, x square, x number, x cube, x square. So second one was also in the same order, but third one, children, I have rearranged. This is what is in your question 1 part 5. I have rearranged below. So this minus 4x cube I bring here. Like terms will be in one column. They should be in descending order. The next square term, the next term, then the constant. These are called constant, these are variable. So now when you add, children, 5 minus 4 is 1, minus 6 plus 2. So you can do like this, plus 2 minus 3 minus 3. So you get 2 minus 6, which is minus 4. So this I have already taught you in my earlier videos. See all to learn them properly. And here you same way you see minus 6. Just see the numerical coefficient x, answer will be x. X square, answer will be x square. X cube, answer will be x cube. So here minus 6 minus 1 plus 2. So this you get minus 7 plus 2. This is minus 5. So this is minus 5x. Last, minus 4 and 3 plus 1. So plus 3 minus 4 plus 1 is 4 minus 4 is 0. So I don't write anything. So check here whether you get the same answer as I have got it. Okay, so the final constant term will become 0 and we will not write anything there. Now see this question, part 7. See, this is also descending power. Z cube, Z square, there will be something Z. So in the first term, nothing is there, children. Then constant. Second, again I have arranged. Here there is no cube term. Square minus 2Z. So see, this I have brought as first term. Second term became second term. The first term has become the last term. Same way the third one is in question given like this. We write in this order. Okay. So here we add plus 3 minus Z is 2Z cube. So remember, Z is written in like this. So but what when I write like this, because many children they write this like 2. So I generally, whenever I do this sums, I make this Z look like small z. So here chances of making mistake between 2 and Z is not there. So this is what I have seen. So here they are equal, this will cancel almost. These are also equal, plus 2 minus 2, plus 1 minus 1. So here if you see numbers, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9. So finally, children, don't leave so much gap. You write 2Z cube plus 9 is the answer. So once more I am recapitulating for you. In descending power of x we arrange. So see, this one was not like that. I have arranged cube, square, x, then 1. Almost in the reverse order I have done, children. So once these are same, then you will get correct answer. Many children write like this. So you will get wrong answer. 1 will come here, 2x will come here. Okay, 4x minus 4x cube will come here. So they are not. So this way they have to be same, column wise. Then you can add the like term with like term and numerical coefficient, as I have explained, with numerical coefficient of other expression. So same thing I have followed, children. So please practice. So pause the video and copy. So next we move on to question 2, part 3 and 5. So here question is simplify, means again we have to add the like terms like before. So first see the like terms. X squared term, there are 2 x squared terms. So let me write the like terms together. You can put bracket or you don't put a bracket. Both way you can do. Then see x square, then I take x term. So see this is xy term or y term. So you can take anything, xy term or y term. So this means similar term. Okay. So I have got plus 3xy minus xy. Then finally we have this minus 3y square plus y square. So see these two right one I have got together. 3xy, this one xy term, this is y term. So simply you say x square like term. I told you in the very beginning, answer will be like term. 2 plus 1, add the numerical coefficient, 2 plus 1, 3. Come to this 2. 3xy minus xy, answer will be definitely xy. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. And minus 3 plus 1, children, is minus 2. This is minus 2. So minus 2 y square. These two are also like term. Y square. It is y square, and numerical coefficient is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So here is our answer. X with x, xy with xy, y square with y square. Next we have same way you see m terms. So there are, so just I mark in a similar way, children. If you see, just I mark in a similar way so that we don't miss out any term. So here m and m. So second n and n. So m, what we have, children? 2m plus 2m minus 3m. Okay. So then n minus 3n plus n minus 4n. All my n done. Minus 3n plus n minus 4n. We are left with p. So p, and p. So somehow I mark in a similar way by cross, by asterisk, by tick, by underlying, double underlying. So somehow I differentiate them, so that main idea is we don't miss anything. One thing you miss, children, you may not get even half of the mark. So remember, you have to be extra careful when you put all the like terms together. 5p minus 2p plus p. So again here you see we have got a bundle of 3. So addition, subtraction, you please see my earlier videos on rational number, integers, whatever I have done, almost 20-25 video lesson I have put for you. So please see this concept I have given earlier, and if possible I'll send you the link, because the numerical part, children, the numerical coefficient, they follow the logic of addition of numbers, subtraction of integers. Okay, so there I have already given you, if possible I'll send you the link again, so that all this you will be able to refresh yourself, so that you are in a better position to get the right answer here. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. We don't write 1. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Okay, minus 3 minus 4, and this is plus 1. So when you do plus 1, this is minus 6. So minus 6n. And the last one is your p. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 5. I could have used one more step also. So if you want, you can do, you can add. Then subtract means So otherwise you can do like this: 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So kindly check all the working and see that we have not left out anything over here. So see children, 5p plus 1 6p minus 2p is plus 4p. Once more, 5 plus 1 6 minus 2 is plus 4p. So that's what you see again. Wait and check whether you got all correct thing, then only you go to the next sum when you are doing. And best, in the book answer is given, so after doing you check with the book's answer, then if you get wrong answer, check and you will know where is the mistake. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we move on to next question. So next question we see rectangles to adjacent sides. Adjacent side means side by side, and we know opposite sides are equal. So if this is 6b minus a, this is 6b minus a. If this is 3a minus b, other side will also be 3a minus b. So perimeter of a rectangle, children, is twice length, okay, plus breadth. So this is a formula which you have to learn. Two lengths. See here, this is length, twice length. So just I write there, and breadth. So perimeter means the length of the edge, the corner, not the corner, the length of the boundary. Okay, corner means this you will get. So edge or the boundary you will see. So L plus L, 2L we get, and 2 lengths inside the rectangle and 2 breadth. And when you take 2 common, the formula is 2 length plus breadth. So twice I use the bracket C length, let it be 3a plus b, plus I can use small bracket 3a plus b, 3a minus b, children, and let breadth be 6b minus a. So 2 3a minus b plus 6b minus a. Okay, so what do we see, children? 3a minus a, see the like term, 3a minus a is 2a, and 6 plus 6 minus 1, 6b minus 1b, nothing means minus, so it is 5b. Okay, so this is, if we do 2 2s are 4a plus 2 5s are 10b. So let me check once again, 3a minus b. So 3a minus b plus 6b minus a. So 3a minus a is 2a, plus 6 minus 1, as I told you, is plus 5. So you double it because 2 length and breadth. I have added length and breadth. You double it because we have 2 length and 2 breadth. So kindly you pause the video and copy. Then we move on to the last question in this session. So this was, children, about perimeter of a rectangle, and here we have a triangle. Question 4, 3 sides of a triangle is given. So we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter is sum of the 3 sides. So here sum of 4 sides was there, but length were equal and breadth were equal. But here, children, in a triangle, all 3 sides are different. So what we do? We add them, children. So let A be, I put A, B, B, C and C. So sum of 3 sides. Okay, so perimeter I can write as in words, if you see, sum of 3 sides. So perimeter is different from area, children. Area is the space occupied. Perimeter is the length of the edge or the boundary. Okay, so sum of 3 sides. So 2y plus 3z plus z minus y. This plus this plus this. Plus 4y minus 2z. All the like term I'll put together. See, y, y, y. 2y minus y plus 4y. Plus 3z. So z, 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 you see 3z plus z minus 2z. So I get 2 plus 4, 6 minus 1, 5y plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4z minus 2z is 2z. So sum of the three sides, which is called a perimeter, is 5y plus 2z. Okay, so children, most of the question I have done except few, question 1 to 4. So we did addition today of algebraic expression. So in the next video, my second video, that will be part 4, I will be doing subtraction. So kindly pause the video and copy, and thank you children for watching this video session.